All right, happy Wednesday, everybody. So I had something really interesting come through my shop this morning as a transfer. This is an FN20S Scar. I'm gonna show this thing to you guys. This is so beautiful. Hard to find, hard to get. Take a look at this. Chambered in 308. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. It's got a Picatinny rail across the top. It's got one across the bottom. It's got two mounted on the side. Look at the size of that barrel. Oh my goodness. This is wild. Comes with this little magazine right here. Let's see how this thing goes. Oof. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is really, really nice. Wow. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous gun. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.